Brown Series 7. World's only intelligent sonic technology. Reads your face and adapts to the density of your beard. 10,000 micro vibrations capture more hair with every stroke for Brown's most thorough and comfortable shave. Brown's personalization modes, 2 intensities for a more individual shave. Extra sensitive. Intensive. An adjustable shave that fits best your beard and skin. Brown's fully flexible shaving system. A unique combination of pivoting shaver head and floating cutting elements for maximum facial adaptability. Brown's patented Active Lift. Unique oscillating middle trimmer with 130 movements per second. Lifts and cuts flat-lying hairs for a thorough shave in problem areas. Brown's most advanced OptiFoil. Ergonomically designed foil holes consistently capture hair all over the foil to cut hair deeper than ever before. Brown's triple action cutting system. Three individual cutting elements work simultaneously, cutting long hair as easily as short hair. Brown shavers are 100% waterproof and fully washable. Easy to clean under running water. Brown Series 7.